You can tell it's rambutan. It brings back those amazing memories. Hi everyone, welcome back to Sieng. Today we are heading deep into the forest of Cambodia to find for one of my favorite wild fruit, Rambutan. This fruit is not only delicious but also a hidden gem of the forest. As we walk through the tree, we will be keeping our eye peeled for rambutan tree. Rambutan is tropical fruit that grow naturally in this forest, and finding them feel like discovering nature's candy. Okay everyone, right now I'm climbing the tree to pick wild rambutan at top. Look at this. You can tell it's rambutan by its fiery red skin inside. It's sour and sweet, perfect for a snake right of the tree. I used to come here with my family as a child to find this wild fruit rambutan, and every time I taste one, it brings back those amazing memories. I taste one. Oh my god, looks so good. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Hmm. Outside very sweet, inside sour. Perfect. Sour with sweet. Let's try one. I test it one more. Okay. The sweet, slightly tangy flavor is just perfect. It's like natural candy. Yeah. Sour and sweet. It's like natural candy. Thank you for joining me on this Rambutan adventure.